e ka wo mom koye autopsy na kyerɛ jiga ena de Calvin meka Calvin na daddy Lumba ba panyini Calvin ena Denise daddy Lumba ba no ye lawyer ni no Denise ena Odobroni younger sister ena mko ekoye autopsy no muti bola no so mame na mi gusu celebrate a drop part muti asam na America no autopsy no mko ye no eye jiga panini toto anu wom eye jiga eye mia me ofa Lumba ba Calvin eye me ofa Lumba eye me ofa Lumba ba Denise ena Odobroni younger sister eno mko ye autopsy no eno mko ye autopsy no ema committee ni Shee aye no committee ni Shee na wo papa Shee wote ho enkola ni di dwanto si se wo mpa abusuafo chew because they didn't know say never say abusuafo ene koye autopsy no na eyo mo maame eno mo ne ka ahe no maame ne so mo nko ye ti asem na me ka bi autopsy no mo ka ho asem no jiga ujina ho ma ye papa funu ni so wonim de okun no kwasia na abusuapani ni lebi hu wo jiga ujina ho ne papa funu no wo ni panin toto a wo di nkola de kokoye autopsy a wo mo panin bi amane wo jiga stupid bitch jiga wo ni panin toto a wo di nkola no ekoye autopsy jiga si wo mo ko en si e jiga eye Calvin eye mi wo Lumba ya AkosuaSerwaa firstborn eye Denise mi wo ba no ye lawyer ni no ena Odobroni sister ema ehho asem bae ema nkola no sore di dwanto asi wo hini bi so epa achew ewo committee nanim anu obi atibubi including jiga apoa no epa achew me pa achew mo koyo autopsy no Odobroni ni na ho omo koyo autopsy no busuapani ni na ho enti AkosuaSerwaa I will say the representative any jiga ewo abusuani mu no any AkosuaSerwaa ne ba ne Calvin AkosuaSerwaa ne yemo ba ne Calvin any Akosua bempoma o see committee na yate no na ne musini ni jiga epeso omo ka che wiase afa na nyina se omo jiga ne Calvin ni on mi busasem na papa Shee wusi musen wo ye busuani che Calvin na papa Shee wo ya adamfo wo ye busuani enti se Lumba ewu na ne ba panini gina ho ne ye no autopsy a who the fuck are you Kwasi panini te saw we was who you suffer you lied to
Mepacho AfiaSchwar kofabai e December kumin bi ababetum from Nina ejina autopsy report ababeda abonten mekyerɛ the late daddy Lumba autopsy na abrantie bi wo bekaya ye friend Jiga one Zion Felix etwetwe nkomo na ɔde nsɛm bebree to dwa de di kan na ɛfa Daddy Lumba ayie nhyehyɛ deɛ ho in fact abranteɛ no asi mu dua sɛ mpo ɔnya aware na abranteɛ no ogyina mu de ma maame AkosuaSerwaa ana afei so ɛnasi nafosu the immediate family ɔno na gyina mu paa eti mekae sɛ abranteɛ no ne Zion yɛ interview no ɔka nsɛm bebree na nsɛm no bi nso so aside of that no na ɔkyerɛ sɛ Daddy autopsy no in fact ɔmo nya aware the immediate family enya aware ɔmo hu sɛ ɔmo akɔ agɔ yie bi de aba bɛto na mpo the content of the autopsy report na nkasa nso sɛ question kakra ɛwɔ ho enti ɛno bɛyɛ nsɛm no ɛbɛyɛ dadwa ɛwɔ highway no so na mene wokasa AfiaSchwar ananɔpɛ ya secret bi ɛde aba bɛto abɔnten na secret afia ɛde aba bɛto abɔnten no mepaakyɛw nsɛm na ɔden na asɛm a wɔka nna ne sɛ evangelist papa Shee wayɛ no ho sɛ takra wɔ gyem ɔyɛ aware ɛwɔ anamo a giga ɛne the late Daddy Lumba mai Calvin ɛne onuanom akwagoye ɛde afa autopsy report no na ɛkame asase wɔyi nani ana ogina bonten a wodi nkɔmɔ ka che wiase na sɛ in fact ɔno so nya wɔ ɔyɛ ne saa de a ne wanya ade na me ne okasa yɛfia ɛde nsɛm bebre na babegu abonten nsɛm na no de mepam twɔm fa nkyɛme na ɛnɛ I'm having a really bad day so at say but anyways life goes on we need to move ahead enti mepaacho yenkode nkoti AfiaSchwar afia ede nsɛm ba ko menu bi aba betom from mama nsɛm na no de kindly drop your comment and share the video for me. Was Born TV official me da se bebre
na me nkwa obi a permission but me beka de minim a ɛyɛ no kore na me de akyerɛ mo and the need has come for it to be so. Autopsy asemi omuken eye giga semunyina munim giga bre ya wode fake coach ehye na motu mbeke kan kwase asemi eye giga me kan wo mom koye autopsy na kyerɛw eye giga ene de Calvin me kan Calvin na Daddy Lumba ba panyini Calvin ena Denise Daddy Lumba ba no ye lawyer ni no Denise ena Odobroni younger sister ena omuko ekoye autopsy no muti bolave no so mame na mi gusu celebrate a drop part muti asam na America no autopsy no omuko ye no eye giga panini toto anu wum eye giga eye mia me of Lumba ba Calvin eye me of Lumba eye me of Lumba ba Denise ena Odobroni younger sister eno mko ye autopsy no eno mko ye autopsy no ema committee ni shia ye no committee ni share na wo papa Shee wote ho enkola ne di dwanto asi se wo mpa abusuafo chew because they didn't know say ne wo say abusuafo ene koye autopsy no na eyo mo maame eno mo ne ka aye no maame ne so mo nko ye ti asem na me ka bi autopsy no mo kan wasem no giga wujina homa ye papa funu ni so wonim de okun no kwasea na busu apani ni lebe hu wujina ho ne papa funu no wo ni pani toto a wo de nkola de kokoye autopsy a wa mo pani bi amane wujiga stupid bitch giga wo ni pani toto a wo de nkola no ekoye autopsy giga si o mo ko en si e giga eye Calvin eye mi wo Lumba ni AkosuaSerwaa firstborn eye Denise mi wo fa ba no ye lawyer ni no ena Odobroni sister ema eho asem baaye Emma nkola no sore di dwanto asi wo hini bi so pa achew wo committee n'anim na obi ate bobi including Jiga Aboa no pa achew me pa achew mo koyo Autopsy no do broni nyina ho omo koyo Autopsy no Abusuapani nyina ho enti AkosuaSerwaa I will say the representative any Jiga wo Abusuani mu no any AkosuaSerwaa ne ba ne Calvin AkosuaSerwaa ne yemo ba ne Calvin any Akosua Brempoma or say committee na yate no na ne musini ni Jiga epeso omo ka che wiase afa na nyina se omo nje Jiga ne Calvin ndi on mi busasem na papa Shee wusi musen wo ye Abusuani chen Calvin na papa Shee wo ya adamfo wo ye Abusuani enti se Lumba ewu dan ne ba panini gina ho ne ye no Autopsy who the fuck are you Kw'as panini te saw we was wo ye sofo you lie through your teeth you lie ye dey fucking cousin shut up and let me be free. You lie through your teeth. You lie through your teeth. A so-called pastor. I need you na TV ni radio so say wunyim say akoya Autopsy. Wunyim say Calvin, any Denise, any wa wunya Jiga. Any wa wunya Jiga. Any odo broni nua na kugina wa Autopsy wunyim. Wunyim say nkola ni di dwantoa esi wo hene so wo committee wo paacha wunyim. You are such a stupid man. You are such a stupid man. Enyewa. Yes, why boy because what. They didn't tell who. Me say Autopsy no. Omuko funeral committee meeting. Na papa Shee te ho. Abusuapani te ho. Collins Amankwa te ho. Meeting. I can go on and on and on and on. Na Jiga Kw'as aPanin no eka ho Jiga ene nkola no ne sore pa achew Jiga ene nkola no ene sore pa achew se no munim na odobroni ka so mu nkohwe ne enye no no munim se wo se Abusuapani na se obi wo enti nipa omko gina ho ma ye Autopsy eye Jiga eye Calvin Lumba baloya na we Lumba baloya ne friend Denise ne baba aPanin no eno dobroni sister girl no se fa na draw was e de me refini din na me mboni din enkola ne be pa achew wo committee nanim enkola ne pa achew na wo papa Shee wanim wanim sa wodie na wusi ho odobroni nua fe ne rado a na oka ho nipa fo yi ne koye Autopsy enti AkosuaSerwaa person ka che se ne ba Calvin so ni ni on odobroni bribe Calvin Akosuapempoma se ono only representative of that committee ni so ye Jiga Kw'as aPanin na enne wono so nam se wonim die kun no ono so nam se wonim die kun no anti Akosuapempoma so won Jiga ndi na se Autopsy na mo de bai na enne no kora Jiga woni e be chew first because so na de bai se Autopsy na mo se obi a compromise no ye twetwa funu no do broni nyina ho na Abusuapani nyina ho enti de mo kane ye no kora de a wo Jiga wo se ye chew wona panini na wo wona na ye gang leader wo ena na ye gang leader woni panini be ma panini Jimmy fo a woni nkola ne kokoye Autopsy enti the doctors ne de ma mo no se munyi ntumu a na se de mo kane ye no kora Jiga you are the first person was a police che and I mean you no masema me kan meboa ana asem na me kan no meboa me afia me nsuro bia nti me ka asama me bodin asana me kan me boa mo kasa me boa eye jiga ena de nkola no kokoye Autopsy ono na ye panyin owum as you can see nkola ni bi no mo nte Ghana enti so obi ko tua bribe eye jiga ne tua ye jiga ne koje Autopsy ne baaye jiga ne koye Autopsy no enti so jiga say that jiga say omunyim de oku no no more different story apart from no jiga Kwasi aPanin Jimmy bema nanim wasia wo mami funu nti wonu nua nkasa why wani jefu say asenyom jiga no koji Autopsy ne baaye no ono say onim de oku na jiga no koji Autopsy ne baaye so obi ne ku ne dia Million now why was a police chain of it? Why Madaruma I may answer 4 pen of new moving command pay and Kwasi a food in the uncle baby and Kwasha life of Fufro. Obia Marani yen to Adjene. Jiga na koji Autopsy brebusia 4. A dim colani maumo pacho. A pacho. Because Abusuanii fuye. Say how dare you? So papa me this year. Nemi ni moshe. Me mpese me bo hini ni din. E mo hini no. Omudi dwanto si wo hini no so mo hini ne pa. Abusuafo achew. It's at this point in time no. Say jiga no ni kwala no kwaje. Autopsy reports ne baaye no. Can't some fufra. Madaro Mahwana was a police channel. Why? And there was a police channel. When me say, me papa sama de bio kon so dwene boni a na wadwen ya kete. Me papa de bio ka. Utwa ntro na me papa chewa. No wa show anima ka cho so wodwene boni a na wadwene ya kete ebi na ekoso no ante AkosuaSerwaa so wo ka che wiase nyina se ono ne back carving onjini ni on na onje carving ni ahwan na obegina di biom onje ono ane bana wachim na ba wiase because omo ko twetwafu no na wodo broni ni ho na aPanin ni ho AkosuaSerwaa so wonje carving ni that Lumba the driver come home no didn't call hospital the driver come home no didn't call the driver come home no didn't call sunshine was a sunrise no the driver come home and Timofo said the bank hospital is so stupid of a hospital. Ye ka some omon kancho bi ase Lumba ewu a omo di kodi nkomo asem ne ten ne ye no kra me be kan kra no omo tro ho letter no kra omo tro ho letter enti mo fo say ye di omo di Lumba e call the bank hospital no na Lumba ewu a nenka the bank hospital a come no otum am ye di asem kase we ato omo so se Lumba be wu omo hospital ana mo jimijimiza me say owu ye na ka cho me say mo meka mo bi ante say papa na ko fem say busuafo bete e no kra nurses ofo e wo ho e di kodi nkomo a me be kan ye no hospital no nya ho adaje e tro sa nkwase asem no ho letter mi wa nya hospital ho Lumba ewu enju fo see e di Lumba call hospital ho no now we DOA dead on arrival enka hospital no beka na no atumo amye dia sem kese ato wo so hospital to say the bank hospital ebeka wo mo no atum ama ye di Lumba wo ana Lumba ye unconscious ato wo so say ai ye Lumba bai no nu wawu and at the bank hospital any abusuafo aye lie where common sense one go school I won't say da hospital ben and the budget dirty PR say obia be wu ho hospital ko mudi sie hospital ko mudi sie omo mpese ba be come record ho now they wu fie ni edo waba ene ye omo fe se wiase nyina nte se omo hospital ho de yare ba won san kofie enti ombaji obi funu no maka se eho no obewu ye me papa kwaje de me fani ni agro da me papa kwaje ene mama ye cha me sa ni mani ni school hu me mama bomi ama me school be ye ma kono de me mama me papa ene me mama e mama hu se school hu hia na nkama nko school nkama jame ho unim troni makenka ya on ene me be simple Enema be a simple. Enema be a simple. Na herma and na training boy me no dobro ni the camp. Me want a camp kura and ka die kosubei. And ka me kwa mema me lawyer kuresi with the bank hospital. Not the bank hospital the siu AkosuaSerwaa and AkosuaSerwaa. Ane. Papa ne hwe abone ne hwe. What I say, but these two people that are crying wolf, these two people, AkosuaSerwaa and AkosuaSerwaa, Omotiem, and ye Lumba, and I say, Womumi enu, and Hunipa, and a Nijira why you try funo. Aye, Omumi enu dear, they are direct members of the committee. AkosuaSerwaa ba Calvin and AkosuaSerwaa representative penny Jimmy Phone and friend Jigano Jigana ko ikeno Jigano Sako Shini fraud boy no womumienu ne jina ho Lumba ba Denise wo ho odobroni enwie radwa wo ho eno omokoye Autopsy no me say Papa Shee so we Abusuanii eche Lumba mama yenu na Papa Shee yeni nua ne jiga na Papa Shee oso we Abusuanii chen Denise ene Calvin Papa Shee yeni nua ne jiga na enyeni nua ne jiga na oba time ben ene beto ne ma e di ama rules what you say Denise Kuranya wo ba into one minute Calvin home. 1 minute said you are dragging your child's reputation into the mud. Hey, Auntie AkosuaSerwaa, you don't cease to amaze me on daily basis. Adiechi ado ye bia buru de waye dada so. Adiechi do manipa ewo wati koma aye no e buru de waye dada so. You don't cease to amaze me. Say woni de kun Lumba. Me pa cho na wo ba ni gina ho. Me pa cho we aware because who brother to committee ne so Elder Emmanuel Bote on to committee ne so omo ni na ati wo bi ena Calvin sorry pa chawo Calvin sorry ye e di dwantoa Calvin sorry ye di dwantoa esi wo hene ne so omo pa chawo na omo maame in this contest no omo maame omo kan ye odobroni omo maame e ka se omo nko no omo nko hwe ne Autopsy no omo nyim se wo se Abusuanii bi di wo machi no omo nyim se e wo se Abusuanii bi di wo machi na mu nyina mo tsan from ho Christopher Papa Shee friend who evangelist be na no kura ba kokoro ani wonum wey okanyame asema wutie woni am Papa Shee no wabodam Ushe ni tini obi nkanchira wabodam. Ofra way friend who evangelist. Me say Elder Emmanuel Boy tenu si ho. Na Roman father si ho. Na Abusuanii si ho. Na Odobroni wo ho. Na Ahemfuni nyina wo ho. Colin Samankwa wo ho. Ene nkwala no sori epa achew. Ene nkwala no esori epa meme moda. Meme sika mitiwe. Menim die misuro no. Enti me ka mebo wudin asema me kan e verifiable mebo wudin AfiaSchwar should go and find out some of where mabo mudin Jiga Calvin Denise me wa faba Denise Odobroni ni radro anya sanko fofu eni ko gina homa Autopsy you is verifiable and some trust for near course monfra busu apanini monfra Kwαs amankwa mufo bia wote committee no so na Elder Emmanuel Boy te siwo na Elder Emmanuel Boy te osiwo ena nkola ne di dwantoa esi wo hene ne so sikaba ensem no shine time every day bi ye tantan akosa se wani ani wo na woni tema na sene ba wote ase obetimi di we ayena na chese de ode ye me wo fade nya me penanim ne ba wote ase a obetimi e defend na hompo hwese de wo ye wo mo ne ba wote ase one one ba panini Calvin ogina ho ne ne papa Autopsy na Odobroni nyina ho na se ne ba wote ase obetimi agubo ye ni mu asise ya na wono edie na ode ye me wofa you are so vindictive, property possessed your pen property possessed that you don't even see that you are hurting your own son, you are dragging your own son into the mud. What kind of a human being are you? What kind of a mother are you? You lack conscience. AkosuaSerwaa, you lack conscience, and it is sad. Calvin Krotiasia will be to me in a one na wugu anyway. Wugu anyone say. Look at how you've dragged your son into this bullshit. What kind of a human being are you? Huh? Oba time ben na wuya wunya badaye ba ku say. Wunya de wuye ni nara nye. Ade chi wuye de sensa. Me say ye ko papa mi wo Lumba na ne ba Calvin gina ho. AkosuaSerwaa ba Calvin no gina ho. Na wo gina ho. Dwantoa no so no Calvin ni nipa o di si wo hene ne so say ye mpa cha wo ma wo mo. Aden na wo ye wo ba ni say. Aden ne papa ewu. All he has is you. As painful as it is. Ne papa ewu, the only parent. And now you are feeding him to the wolves. You are feeding him to the wolves for your selfish gain. You are feeding him to the wolves for your selfish gain. What kind of a parent are you? Hey, and the same of Lumba your candy, oh dear, and can we say the uncle and the baby and the Kwαs? We need perfume. We need perfume. We need perfume. We need perfume. Anyone won't do what you need. And because Calvin sorry patch no na papa Shee what ho na wonua Emmanuel Boy na what meeting him bi enkofo we mienu from ho asofo enkofo we mienu efre wo ho asofo ne wiase ye beje den wiase ye beje den why pa na ewu including Lumba ya ye kosie no na wahu se efunu ka na ekọ na ye de ne japade ni na ato so edi na chi de koja no wasie ye mpo why na ewu aye de ni kwa akosha foma ya ni ye packing it down ene ne cars edi koja na sie ye ese o wọ́n ṣe sikani bi ewu ama ye kosie no ama ye de ne cars aye convoy kosie ne da na Bible si ewu achi atemu wo ho nyame asem a miminim fi me kola brem ebesi me 43 years no wo si na wo na chi no atemu wo ho uye wuni ade a eya adwene sa asem kakra ne se ewu na chi no atemu wo ho na otemu afo kese oni nyankopon wo si na di nipa be ya asase su nyina eya masade no ensinki wo tiri mu kakra se die mede ye menuen enti se ne medana mansoria anu ye ben na me ko ka kire nyame eya manen sinki in uye nipa pa na wo koda twene ho ubeyi obi ade adwene ho se de mede ye menue God forbid se minya heart attack na mi twahwe sesie ya anu ye ben na me ko ye amanyame AkosuaSerwaa se ya na se don yere ye yo se don yere apre maami na ndi afe samanto wa wo nani nyina achi ubetimi di we ya ye wo awotwemu ba madam na chese wutimu sumu ankasa de wo ye wutimu ye sumu ankasa utimu yesu you are such a wicked woman and everybody will see through you. Everybody AkosuaSerwaa brane be deny send your back carving any Lumba badness any jigger any odo broni nua radwa any koye Autopsy na what we wo so nim de kun Lumba be deny be gu ba nani mase esa sa wo ba no nipa no pa wo machew na wo pa chew wo bedwam enti atopa no na nipa wo ho asamiken and secret meeting no me no minutes of the meeting was taken including the apology. It was entered in the minutes of the meeting. Ade mojidien your pepe ne japade kura wuko mojidien they are saying poison and why the poison Lumba. They are saying poison why the poison Lumba. Akosua bempoma me ko ka kire me say odobroni ne mi Lumba kon onu Lumba ti wono odobroni be mi ane kon ko de ne nai be wona kuno na mo ka se kodofo su no oyesa sa muni mutira Akosua brempoma ne representative ne jiga and the leading gang no edu wom call much require Autopsy eya jiga me say hwan eya jiga me afia me meye say me tumira chiri say me tumire ena me ka me afia ska me nsuro bia eya jiga the leading kola no eya jiga ne penina no gum a wo leading kola no Calvin Denise odobroni nwe radwa edu wom ko much require Autopsy enti dear story and almost sell edi amagana phone na wunya public sympathy and pepa no public sympathy. It won't change the truth. The public sympathy Momusa jega na mame se wo Abusuanii jega ni nuane papa Shee no nam se na Abusuanii bia ni ho no. The public sympathy will not wipe away the attendance at the mortuary. Public sympathy ya mupe and wipe away one no mujina homa ye autopsy no. Public sympathy no and my hospital na nka se na jega nyina ho na odobroni na ejina ho ensi. Public sympathy no and nka se na jega nyina ho Abusuapani na ejina ho ensi. Enti mo pedien mo pedie ben e die ben na mo pe. And some draw from phone. And from Honorable Collins Amankwa. And some draw from Abusuapani. And some draw from Odobroni Nyana Efeni Rajoano. And some draw from wine. On hine no mempesi me body because I don't want to drag them into this issue. And some draw from Roman father. Call Papa Shee was there. Call Emmanuel Bolte and then let them call the story I am telling people a bluff. And some trouble and friend Lumba cousin your friend Ebeno. And call this story a bluff. And some trouble uncle Mochiro and Kubusa. And some trouble and come Mochiro and Kubusa. One no mujina. It is too much. It is too much. Dear family members, it is too much. It is too much. AkosuaSerwaa, we try to catch Maria, na wuncha Shee. To come and publicly shame your own son. If you don't know what you are doing, that's what you are doing. To come and publicly drag your own son in the mud. It's another level of pettiness. I'm telling you. It is another level of pettiness. Na me say me wofa na hum na untimi fancy. No. People are seeing it in a different angle. No. Lumba ne kasafa umu. AkosuaSerwaa. Lumba. And ne hum na be wura umu. And na wuyi usubanye di. Because subai we ya we ne di. Subai we ya we ne di American. Sa uba carving o ye panyin yo. And it's a carving in nina ho. And ye twitwa ne papa funa akwala ne meyi statement e meka semeboa se Calvin nyina ho and ye twitwa ne papa funu se Calvin an sorry ampa committee na chew ana lawyer fo ni nyina wo ho say eye ne maame odobroni ne ka so omo nhwemi enye bibia yie enti no munim so mbebo abusuafo ni di a omo ntwa letter medina na sa wo ba ne gina ho. And AkosuaSerwaa will feed you back to the wolves. The world is looking at you, causing trauma to your children, and call out papa wu. And quite be a for so a big woman must be a one so or bad time away and any pestre. What me say, Lumba and Tiasia will be defending her. Bawu Subai a bit defending Lumba. Lumba wantiasi yo oniano no akasa oniano efunu difo oniano demo AkosuaSerwaa so ni bisa me wofa kojo onfa asem nje enti obefa mu ama wayi usubanye di amani pehu ayaya ade a wodi ye wukunu odwane gya oni pehu eniema a wodi wukunu fe mu a na won pese obi abetena senti wanka na ene wo me no no abedane bonsam na wakosuaSerwaa wadani nyame obi abehu mama me ko peko kana mwate obi abehu AkosuaSerwaa obi abehu. You can do this to your son who is mourning his father over properties you didn't work for. Hey, mommy. You are exposing yourself. You are exposing yourself. Entina moye we no entina AkosuaSerwaa wan nwene ho sa asem we na be pie on wan nwene because the we ni na anam se meka me papa wo me be wi ase ne kan o se nipa o dwene boni a na wadwene abe kete o dwene boni a na wadwene abe kete One minute wo bana ho. Onwene wo bana ho. Onwene sa kola ne papa wu. Onwene sa wo ye bapani na a lot of responsibilities has been dumped on his shoulders unknowingly. Onwene kola no. Onwene sa kola no odwene said ye be see me papa da bang so that I can move on with my life. Only the damage you are doing to the young man's reputation. Only woman now. The damage you are doing to these girls. Omo worry you. Na so omo mami subainia. Bema bene be worry omo. Only ho. At long last, woba Charlene a petrol letter on behalf of Unkolano. Because of their reputation. Woman Crawford threatening Kolano. And man Kolai, Akolai Frebus, your pay this, yes, a fair lawyer, yes, CMB the bank. Say, and your natural letter. No. Akolan bit never be denies a signature and any signature. But you tortured your daughter into it. Making the whole world think that they are with you in this your devilish scheme. And so I feel there with your full chest, you are dragging Calvin into this this mess you've created for yourself. This mess you have created for yourself with your full chest. One makusia bimpoma Korea petition abejina wachi with your full chest. You have dragged your son, your only son. Sorry, who obabema penny into your only son, but you have dragged your son, your first son with my uncle. You have dragged him into this mess, and you seem don't to care. Said ya mema papa Shee mu ye omgusu ye. Die papa Shee mu ye omgusu ye. Ye beba be ka wo mo gina wo ye Autopsy. Autopsy ne me ba Kevin ka ho. Enti wonwene o. won yene se sansum ye wate se sansum ye na sumye na adasus anadwi no ene wo problem oba ante se sansum ye wate se sumye we ni wada so over 20 something years ene me wo for ware just me wo for wadibi o ware ni parfum de Lumba fam no wo for kojo ene nye dwuma me kwa nye Kwαs ya New Jersey here ya mabeke wo se mkobi kunuma nye Kwαs ya articulator ya me kwatwe afa mebu ya wo for kojo gele me ye wa yie ene kama ye wa yie fucking hey say yes will be tiska ware ne tamfo no wona wo ye wona wo ware wo tamfo we is sleeping with the enemy we is sleeping with the enemy. But why, princess? You think you don't know God, eh? Mommy, me the God I know, sometimes God intentionally leave people to do things just to expose them. Ebi no. Sometimes God intentionally leave people to do things just to expose them. Ebi na mama ne ye no ne kruwa ye ma busu se bo me say ye ya Autopsy na ne back Calvin jina ho na ne back Calvin jina ho na ne back Calvin jina ho AkosuaSerwaa representative wo committee ni so jiga na jiga ne den kola na ko jiga ne penina na bodi ani mu onyame ye no kwafo onyame oye no kwafo na wo se oye wona wo sum ni yie no ne so aketuafo wife one of both for Jagoraja. Wife one of both for Jagoraja. Mamika bibi nchino. President John Ajekum Kofo. On the car na sing you say. Ensio Shee enfanipa. One will see us will be at hot water more drowned that. Who call hot water na she won't tomb. Ensio and a funny pa. And I am not blowing my own trumpet. But we share will be to send me a fear in Surume. Because me come out in 20 seconds. Me can't do me natural. Now one more casa no me one. When Suruma unche. Me say President Jericho ne kan o say. Enso Shee mfanipa. Enso Shee mfanipa da. Enso nunu ene fanipa. Very deep. Very deep. Usha will be a keka or cana dwene. Hey, we are no aka. In Soros any panel. Those are the people I love to deal with. Now, mom pekasan. Why no say won't pay beef? Why no so there many but or there are bloggers near Bonsanfo? You should be scared of those people. I know so a lady. Obe fetch am be kunsis ya. Me say as some person go for kind no. It's been years. It's almost 20 years curriculum. And I locked it in my brain. I locked it. I said I locked it. Since you share and fenipa against you nuno and a fenipa, nobody gets drowned in the hot waters. It's only the calm soothing waters that can drown anybody. I locked it in. I locked it in. I locked it in. I logged it. I logged it. And it was a muswa AkosuaSerwaa. AkosuaSerwaa. Woba would me a feeding 1 a.m. to the wolves. To the wolves. Now you are throwing Kevin out to the jungle of lions. In your quest, so be go Abusuanii and you do bronias can say Abusuafo any must say no go me of a Lumba. You in your quest to just embarrass Lumba. Odo broni they saw the Naya Bana and the nation Lumba. In your quest to embarrass Lumba, look at what you are doing to your son. Your son. Your son. Who has suddenly become a father to a 3-year-old brother. Your son, who has so many responsibilities on his shoulders. Oba, ne papa wusha fridge. In all the shit that is going on, these children are genuinely mourning their father. I have lost a father. I didn't lose a dad. I lost my father. And Jesus Christ, he was a father. He was my world. And so today I mourn my father. Till this day, I mourn my father. Till this day. Are you intentionally traumatizing your children? Are you doing this to Calvin because Okacha Osema de we any jai and I was jai and they say what the name become what good anymore. Are you what is the purpose of this AkosuaSerwaa? Bajema ikinechire muchira safone de we ni sisi apa no o purpose ni de mame o purpose anything the way is sincere o purpose anything hey boy mommy have 3 years 6 me the mean to me say I want to mafia somebody at the expense of my children. Debbie. Na nipa na ugu na ni masinu wowu. Nipa na ugu na ni masinu wowu. Ugu Lumba ni masi achira hwan. Ugu Lumba ni masi achira hwan. Edina apesa ugu hwan ni masinu. Ena ade akoti GoFundMe account ya udi sesreska ye AkosuaSerwaa se won kwa wo udin a enka beto weti GoFundMe let's support AkosuaSerwaa edina apesa wo seni wona wote ase ya wudidi din hu me AfiaSchwar edin no me fa nyehui wote ase man fa din na nyehui no wu am de be yehui but the minute I uba be kwa ware a obebo ni din fosu no obebo ni din fosu na yebebusa se o papa ni Lumba o maame ni AkosuaSerwaa you give the family reasons to think say the maame is ana ne mama ne tiana enti ni papa empa no wama bonsam ewuro wo sa wo ye sa ni me pacho mumusa AkosuaSerwaa nyame. She has a GoFundMe for what? I don't know. I don't know. They are building castles in the air. And God is my witness. Everything I sit here to say is not for propaganda. It's the truth. Omo na jisika omo ye propaganda. Minya mini madansini. It's the truth. The omo ye ni ye papa. Esan kanti Faustina di omoji. I'm telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth. They are building castles in the air. I said, it can't happen. This case, they will never win. Nothing. I'm sorry. This case, they will only win embarrassment. Yenina ya mao, yenina ya batayo, mese, na wukunewu, na wama uba bema, uba penny, wuni ne ba penny, ako jina waye autopsy. Na wuye be kandi enim, echire wiasia. Eka se autopsy no wunye niya, na chesa ubana na wunye nini. Na chesa ubana, ena wunye nini. And the samples are there. And then I'm on call requesting for second autopsy. Even before you open your own intelligent, dirty mouth, you should have organized a second autopsy because the samples are still there. Ne mese ne ba Calvin. Omo mo koye autopsy no. Eye Jiga ya akosuaSerwaa brempoma Ernestina na wasra nanim agya ne nsa ho no Lumba nua ba na wasra nanim agya ne nsa ho anti Ernestina a representative ne Jiga ne penini a wode nkola no koye. Jiga was there. Calvin Fosu was there. Dennis Fosu was there. Although Brony maybe a friend Radwa, she was there. Emma committee ni Shee no, and Kolani di Drantua. And Kolani di Drantua. Esi or Hinibiso, Emma Hineno, Epa Chow on behalf of the children. And these were their words. Yama meka asi enkohwe me enye bibia no na yenim se wo si invite abusuafo because abusuapani ni dwalai abusuapani finding out say enkwala na koyo autopsy no odwalai biebi. He was very angry at them, like how dare you. And enkwala no edi dwantoa esi wo hene nanim odi dwantoa esi wo hene nanim no na papa sheet meeting na sibi. Na Emmanuel boy te ewo meeting na sibi. Na Lumba lawyers no more representative wo meeting na sibi. Na Roman father wo ho. Na Collins Amankwa wo ho. Na hemfo no ewo ho. Na Odobroni representative ewo meeting na sibi. AkosuaSerwaa representative, which is Nimia elder boy te ni papa Shee, they were there. AkosuaSerwaa representative, which is Jigano, or no the Onukweja will be a year, sa autopsy no. So what are they telling us? Na me pacho wo Jigana wujina ho ma ye autopsy no. Wo se wo die ku no na ye ka kire no nini. Enti abusuapani ni wanya ne den. Jiga, wo wujina ho ma ye papai. Efunu no. Jiga, wo wujina ho ma ye papai. Papa Shee wonya busuani fani Jimmy ebi AkosuaSerwaa na eni busuani minim. AkosuaSerwaa so na eni busuani a efunu ni AkosuaSerwaa dia. But Papa Shee miani Jiga was there. Jiga was there. Jiga was there. Oh, Vicky Akwa. Somebody Lumba didn't raise this can and nini na no. ensema ebe pie mu ewo court. Jiga was there. AkosuaSerwaa ba Calvin fosu no ho. Me of aba lawyer no Dennis no ho. Ti AkosuaSerwaa say onje ne banini. AkosuaSerwaa oso onje ne banini. Jiga ne panyina no ho. Enti obi akotua bribe. Ambi asesa autopsy na. Eye Jiga. In this case, Jiga da was here channel. Because Abusuanii bi ani ho. Jiga nye Abusuanii. And so Jiga ne ko gina mu se Abusuanii. Emi e papa ifunu no. Jiga ene de nkwala ne ko ye. Jiga ene medada sister. Medada Medada, do you think what is going on in my family is nice? Do you think it's nice? Do you think say a fair? Do you think say a fair that these people will be going up and down, spreading lies, knowing very well that the lies that they are spreading, they are dragging Denise into it, they are dragging Calvin into it. So don't you have conscience? Don't you have conscience? Don't you have conscience? And Kolomu Papeu, I do a dog. I didn't pen and call away the PŭNCHɛS say, Yenkoya Autopsy. Apart from really wanting to find out what killed their father. And after finding out what killed their father, their mother and stepmother, together with an auntie, will be dragging their father's name down the drain. Fighting over the autopsy that they were there, that it was done. Calling the authenticity of the autopsy a bluff. Now who could tell me autopsy? Now we then yana will be because autopsy no results na mo de buy no obi asesa bibia menua wo kwa okoye bi no weda wo kwa okoye bi no weda Ukwa koye bi no obeda why na dey asem we to so a wo maame na see autopsy am koye mako bribe hospital wo maame knowing very well that if this case is called before any judge, Calvin Fosu will be dragged before the court of the law. Janice, then they should tell us what killed them. They should tell us what killed him then. Mami, autopsy ni Abusuanii, unsu Abusuanii wa, mo betimi da ya billboard, see and stop him. Send your Lumba nkwani nipa wo a, na Abusuanfo mfa ne autopsy me ya billboard. Ana omuko hospital na atua hospital bill. Ah well. Send you na atua hospital bill there. Fa Jimmy kodi Abusuanfo Kw'as afo na chi. Why? Mo Abusuanii wo a mutimi didi ekun no be ya billboard. Ye stop him. Oh okay. And your public in the form you try sitting call. One for will be in hospital, the auntie Mebusa said in Kuno, and you're not in a call hospital. Mamma, Miss Wamba, I feel not your Kuno, and that will appear man say, because me a fear minim de Kuno. Minim de Kuno, AkosuaSerwaa when Makosia ben Pomenu. And to almost decide the side that Conade at the court say, and on the Maca, now Fiasa. Asa because me Abusuanii no madwame lie that ti bibia ni wa meka kan wa lie na o madwa bia kan wo so nim says I don't give a fuck because me makoma ntimi ne ma bi ti da ko no once maka say we na fail you ade we ba ko ne fail you na asa no bia so madwo no me kwa my mom cruise ni nyina si. My mom cruise for the past bit to my mom cruise ni nyina si. Overthinkers and thinking. My mom cruise ni nyina si. Overthinkers and then thinking. Until overthinkers and thinking, me say, autopsy no, yakoye, ye no so, na papa ne ma no wo ho, ye abusuafo, na abusuani bi anyina ho. Ye no, na abusuani bi anyina ho. Eye papa ne ma mienu, odo broni nua baako, ena jiga wo gina mu ma akosua bempoma jiga nsoso ne panyin na odim jiga ensoso eye papa Shee nua enti senye omo ma mefunu ho ena o ma ya aka fiti pepepe ya enka papa Shee ena nkwala no sori se omo di dwantoa esi wo hene nanim e wo committee nanim si empa busuafo achewo no Kevin sorry because na busua panyin dwalai. And yeah, all hell broke loose. Omo bi o mano ka so makoye Autopsy no. Abusuapani to park. Ohunhunu ya go pai. And na Kevin sorry di dwantoa esi wo hini bi o that committee no so I don't want to expose him. So wo hini no em pa choma wo mo na no mu nim se na wo se abusuafo nipa wo pa chaw eye Kevin on behalf of Onini Nua Denise. Inti what is AkosuaSerwaa saying? Nani nua elder Emmanuel Bote osi ho. What I say? Yen suro nyame na yen kanu kore ebe buwa yen. Me pacho odo broni na suma wo mo so mo nko no mo nko hwe ne enye Autopsy no ba jiga ene de wo mo ko e jiga Odobroni did the autopsy without the consent of the family, but Jiga knew it. Jiga, yeah, autopsy no Odobroni now. Yeah, autopsy no now Odobroni now. Odobroni the catcher almost say, Monkoni and Kwaya dear was ye. Na yemfa funu shafreji mu. Me say me I'm not Odobroni spokesperson. I'm not Tim Odobroni. No krana na meka. Odobroni na catch omo so omo nko ye Autopsy na however eye jiga ele de Calvin Lumba bad boy penyin no any Denise Calvin e chiriba ni Denise e woni papa side enti eye Lumba asani eye Lumba na de omo ko esasa eye Calvin ene na chiriba Denise. Odobroni just ordered for the needful requirements that monkoye Autopsy monhweko na monkoye se ebe ya Autopsy eye jiga awo kasama akosua bempoma ene Calvin AkosuaSerwaa ne Lumba bapani ene Denise awo ye Lumba ba wo tosu mienu from Lumba man on the tosu mienu oye lawyer ni ene Odobroni younger sister ye friend Radjoa mabo obi edi nipa for obi amedi na say ene omo na koye Autopsy na yem 4 minutes I call so meeting ni momra because your call family meeting no enkwala ne be pa acho woni se enkwala no mom ti abrochire papa wu abeti e jam ya Autopsy enti they didn't know say Ghana no na wo se busuafo gina ho enti ne e the tension e be ye na se your call meeting no e de ntokwa bai Abusuapani ni dry. Abusuapani ni dry. Ena enkwala ni di dwantoa esi wo hene na so. Was it right for Odobroni to instruct them to do Autopsy? Well, she did. And she did the right thing. And in Kenen and Kwakwa Autopsy oh. Ya ba me na wie no. Born again. Some moon funu so that. Nyansa so abomo. Nipa wu a ye na Autopsy ansa ne aba me no she did the right thing. Oma ankoye autopsy ankene enka nsem nyina anke de ato no so aba ya ba me na wi a ye bibie ne yi. Enti she did the right thing. The right thing she did. And the right thing she did was not to follow them on. The right thing she did the right thing and chose the right people. And the AkosuaSerwaa say on Jane back Calvin in here. And your court no nobody will mediana. Boy. What is wrong if Lumba biological children? Exactly, that's what I'm asking. And in Kwalano so AJ bribe. See me chantro. Say adia yenku omo papa ne ku omo papa na. Is AkosuaSerwaa telling the whole world that nebana wono tete no or tete nebana say ye bribe ne be ya na. On jenebani ni Odobroni bribe ne bana so on. Odobroni bribe ne bana so on. En kwala no mo papa ewu no omo beje bribe and on be kwa bribe doctor say en kan ye ku ye papa na kan we ne ku ye papa na common sense should know you to tell you that wo papa wu a person who ye ku no to know say ye ku no enye hereditary minim say the mechanic yare bi wo ye yare e da busuam de enti anipa wu a ye autopsy no is to find out say ade eku me papa yi e ade a eye yare a eye hereditary minim ni twi mo amanko school no ye wo yare eye hereditary I want to aso yare ada de enti anipa wu a ye papa no ye pese hu se de eku no eye I want to aso ya eye genetic. I want to aso yare ana eye busuamu yare ana ne betimi aba me so ebe enunti na ye papa nipa no enti wo sha Lumba ma na omoti abrochire no ekwo bribe doctor say enka se we na ku me papa ka se we na ku me papa se de be ya yenua no maka no ye nkobo ye ho ban emfiri yare ewe mu ana monwene mesi na Calvin ona Denise ho enti nkola no so beka che doctor say en kan kire ya de kureku ye papa ema ye nkosua kwanya ye befa so ye bebo ye ho ban nemo papa Shee na ni din papa Shee no so wontro nko e kira wontimi ntworo enti no ba pamo no ni jimie no ka se ye de gbugbumcha ene ware no nim se the common sense na ware enti oba pam na fi America no papa Shee asem na mombaji atum Calvin ni Denise nkola abrochefo nkola o mako school wonim die no omo de enye no kore yeah mate yento aso madaroma yenyinara muka si ebeto aba no Kennedy Japan be ka kire ye se eba mabel ora